Hi, good day. M6179. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Yumari Imperial. I'm 28 years old, lives in Maykawayan, Bulacan. I'm happily married with two children. It's it's 5 years old and 8 years old.
Your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic and I'm high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Sir, I have experienced helper here in the Philippines within 3 years and as all around helper. And my main duties are cleaning, washing the dishes, laundering, marketing, and babysitting.
Okay. Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 3 months old or 3 years old?
3 years old.
Until 3 years old. So
Yes, sir.
you're taking care of a newborn baby until 3 years old. Then there is a 3 years old baby boy also.
Yes, sir.
Right? So since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Sir, I will check the temperature and I will check the baby if is she hungry or he hungry. And I make it change diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after all of your efforts, what will you do?
Sir, I call the attention of my employer.
Okay. And what will you say to your employer?
The baby is not stop to crying, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, because high salary and safest country, and I will help my family and my children also.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers need me, sir.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Sir, sometimes I watching YouTube, reading the books, and if my employers want to teach me, I'm willing.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday, it is okay to you to work?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly, helping
Yes,
them
sir.
go to bed, to the bathroom?
Yes.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
A message to my future employer, please hire me because I'm genuine. All respect your rules and regulations, and I love person and caring.
Okay. Can you also follow the rules and regulations of
Yes,
their house?
sir.
And also take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Yumari. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.